Artificial intelligence has come a long way, but let's be real, it still has some major flaws. Here are a few reasons why AI still sucks. Reason number 1, AI can be biased. If the data used to train AI is biased, the AI will be too. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Reason number 2, AI lacks common sense. AI systems can struggle with tasks that require context, intuition, or real-world knowledge. Reason number 3, AI is expensive. Developing and maintaining advanced AI systems can be costly, limiting their accessibility and use. Reason number 4, AI can be fragile. Small changes in data or environment can cause AI systems to fail or behave unpredictably. So, while AI has a lot of potential, it's still got a long way to go. Until these issues are addressed, AI will continue to suck in some pretty significant ways.